And oh my goodness, look at all of that luxurious deliciousness.
What's you copying me?
Copying you? Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Sarah here, the Queen of F.E.A.N, and I am in the Chateau Kitchen. I am the Queen of F.E.A.N usually on Sundays, but I'm also known as the Chateau Chef and bartender and barista, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. So today is game day. We are about to watch the Super Bowl, and I have not had a cocktail in a really long time because I'm trying to work on losing weight, but I am gonna allow myself to indulge in just one. I am about to make the Lychee Martini. That's actually one of my faves. I'm gonna make it, and I wanted to share with you guys the recipe and exactly how I make it. So let's jump right in. So first things first, I'm going to start with this can of lychees. I purchased these from Amazon, and I'll make sure I link them down below. I'm so happy that it's a pull top because I can just open it up, and there you have it, the lychees and the juice. And I'm going to use the both of them in the recipe. I took 2 lychees out of the can, and I just threw them on this little toothpick here just for garnish, but we're going to set that to the side. We don't need this glass yet. So we need a total of 4 ounces of lychee juice. So I poured the lychee juice out of the can. I just have this itty bitty measuring cup that's holding 2 ounces. So I have to fill that up twice and pour it into my shaker. Next up, we have Absolute Vodka. And I actually bought this limited edition bottle because it was blue, but it's just regular vodka. So we're gonna go ahead and use that. Actually, same here. This is the vodka. I need 6 ounces of vodka, and I'm gonna pour that into my shaker as well. All right, so here is my shaker, and it already has the ice in it. All right, so I'm going to pour my lychee juice in there, and I'm gonna have to fill this up again, just like I mentioned before, so that I have a total of 4 ounces. Second time's a charm. I actually opted to use this measuring cup instead of the silver one, just so that I can measure it perfectly, but we need a total of 6 ounces. So I have to fill this little measuring cup up 3 times with the vodka. Generally, at this point in the recipe, you need a little bit of vermouth, but I don't have any. A vermouth alternative is sake. So I'm just gonna pour a splash of sake into the drink. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to put the lid on my shaker. And I'm going to make sure the shaker is closed. And then... That should be good. I'm going to grab my martini glass, and I will pour the mixed drink in. So I'll open it, and let me lift this so that you guys can see. Pour the martini in the glass, and oh my goodness, look at all of that luxurious deliciousness.
What's you copying me?
Copying you?
Yeah, you gotta be original.
What are you talking about?
You not see my outfit, man?
Your outfit?
Yes.
I'm the Queen of F.E.A.N. I'm the Queen of F.E.A.N. I bought it.
You bought it? Are you sure? I'm pretty sure I got this from a thrift store.
No, you didn't. Sure. I bought this shirt, you little hater. Anyway, I'm the Queen of F.E.A.N. That's the Prince of F.E.A.N. I'm gonna enjoy my drink and enjoy the game. You guys have a good night.